Hello everybody, welcome to the Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. But we're not talking about traveling, only food today. The first thing comes in my mind about Egypt food is the origin of the world's renowned staple. That's right, bread. Heading back to Louvre, I'm gonna show you the simplest of all the bread, the flatbread. In this method, we do not need oven, proofing, baking at all. We just need three simple ingredients: flour, salt, and oil, and of course water. Anyway, that's not all. I will also show you a delicious bonus. Now I'm excited. Let's get right to it. Here we are in my kitchen. Flour 1½ cup. Half teaspoon of salt. And 2 tablespoons of healthy olive oil. There's no bread if there's no water. We need ½ cup of it. Mix everything together with a fork. Lightly knead and form the dough into a ball, then transfer out onto a surface. Now we just knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes or until soft and smooth. Divide the dough into 6 pieces. If you prefer precision, be my guest and use a scale. Now we just work each dough into a ball. Now we're gonna set a timer and let the dough rest for 15 minutes. Before the timer goes up, let's make the bonus that I mentioned earlier. A earthy garlic butter spread. That sounds yummy, right? Let's start with melting 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter. Some salt, skip it if you're using salted butter. ½ teaspoon of thyme. 1/4 teaspoon brown pepper and ½ teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir up with a fork and set aside for now. It's time to finish this dough. Flour everything that you don't want to get sticky. Press and rotate the dough ball into a small disc. Now we just roll it out into a 6 to 8 inch round dough. Deflour the surface and repeat with the rest. Last one. Perfect. Let's finish this up. Alright, let's get this done, guys. My station is ready. Non-stick pan, heat to medium, let it heat up for a couple of minutes. First dough in, leave it there until it puffs up at some spots. We then flip to the other side. Perfect. Now if you just want plain bread, wait for it to puff up again, then remove it from heat. That's it. But we want it extra flavorful, so here comes our earthy garlic butter spread. Place the next dough in the pan, then spread the butter on the other side of the cooked bread. All the later dough will cook quicker than the first one as our pan gets hotter, so be sure to work and remove them from the heat quickly. Get all those goodness on it. Beautiful. Last one. That's it, 6 of them. Oh yeah. Here we go. And that's how you make the simplest, easiest thin flatbread. Enjoy it however you like. Alright guys, don't forget to help me out with a like and subscribe. You have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye.